Today I am reviewing the Motorola Moto G Stylus 5G 2024. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Motorola Moto G Stylus 5G 2024 edition is a smartphone that stands out from the crowd, not just for its unique built-in stylus, but for how well it blends creativity, performance, and value. In a world where mid-range phones are getting more capable every year, Motorola has managed to bring something refreshingly different to the table. Let's start with what makes this device special: the built-in stylus. Unlike most phones in its price range, the Moto G Stylus 5G lets you jot down quick notes, sketch artwork, and even edit photos with incredible precision. The improved stylus feels more responsive than ever, and the updated software makes handwriting, note-taking, and drawing seamless. Whether you're a student, a creative, or just someone who loves to doodle, this stylus makes daily tasks fun and productive. Next up is the 6.7-inch POLD display, which is one of the best panels you'll find in this category. It's vibrant, colorful, and offers deep contrast with over 1 billion shades of color. Watching movies or scrolling through photos feels cinematic. Pair that with Dolby Atmos sound, and you've got an immersive entertainment experience that turns this phone into a mini home theater in your hands. The audio is rich, multidimensional, and perfect for music lovers or anyone who enjoys gaming and streaming. Now let's talk about the camera, a 50-megapixel ultra-pixel sensor with optical image stabilization, or OIS. This means your photos come out sharper, especially in low light, and your videos are smoother and less shaky. Motorola's camera software has improved significantly, offering balanced colors, good dynamic range, and impressive detail. Whether you're taking photos at a concert or capturing cityscapes at night, the Moto G Stylus 5G delivers quality shots every time. Performance-wise, the phone doesn't disappoint. It comes with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, giving you enough space for all your apps, games, and media. What's even better is the RAM Boost feature, Motorola's smart memory management system that uses storage to simulate extra RAM when you need it. This keeps your phone running smoothly even when multitasking. And if you ever need more space, the microSD card slot lets you expand storage up to 2 TB. Battery life is another strong point. Motorola claims that most users can get up to 30 hours of use on a single charge, and from real-world performance, that seems accurate. Thanks to the 30W TurboPower fast charging, just a few minutes of charge can give you hours of power. This makes the Moto G Stylus 5G a reliable companion, whether you're traveling, gaming, or working on the go. Design-wise, Motorola has really stepped up its game. The Scarlet Wave color combined with a soft vegan leather finish makes this phone look premium and feel luxurious in hand. It's stylish without being flashy, something you'll proudly show off. The body feels sturdy yet comfortable, and the curved edges add a modern touch. Of course, Motorola hasn't forgotten about practical features. The Moto G Stylus 5G still includes a 3.5mm headphone jack, something many users appreciate, and expandable storage, 2 features that are disappearing in many modern smartphones. It's unlocked and made for the US market, meaning it's compatible with major carriers and offers great network reliability. In short, the Motorola Moto G Stylus 5G 2024 is the perfect phone for anyone who values creativity, productivity, and entertainment, all wrapped in a sleek, well-balanced package. It offers the freedom of a stylus, the power of 5G, the reliability of Motorola engineering, and a design that looks far more expensive than it is. If you're looking for a smartphone that lets you express your creativity, enjoy top-tier media experiences, and stay powered throughout the day, all without breaking the bank, the Moto G Stylus 5G 2024 is absolutely worth considering.